everyone, and welcome in. This is a Monday evening edition of Weather Unfiltered. I'm Mike Bettis.
I'm Alex Wilson. Of course, our hurricane expert, Dr. Rick Knabb here. We are halfway through the month of September, and we're also halfway through major hurricane season.
And we will explain what that really means.
Yeah.
The short version is don't write off the rest of the hurricane season, and the last several years have a number of object lessons for us.
All right, you're going to have more on that coming up. We've also got something we're watching right now, this really pesky coastal low sitting off the coast of North Carolina.
You know, you haven't had a hurricane landfall in North Carolina this year, but you've had Chantal, you've had a lot of onshore.
To be out in that kind of weather, it is meteorologist Chris Bruin. He is live tonight for us in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Chris, I know you're going to be like, no, it's really not that bad.
It really isn't that bad. It is a little chilly, though, Alex. I mean, it's dry, thankfully. We had rain earlier, but it really isn't that bad. It's September.
The sunshine with more clouds, also more showers. So we take you virtually to what you could be expecting. A little bit of rain, and again, much more in the way of gray skies than the sunshine you saw there. This is not necessarily even your wet part of the year. In fact, not even by a long shot. We look at your average rainfall per month for the city of Los Angeles. By the way, average yearly rain, just over 14 inches. We've seen almost that in Miami, like so far this month. Pretty wild. But January, February, March, and even December, those are our rainy months. When we look at the later part of the year, I should say the summer into the second half of the year, much less amounts coming. September on average only brings us about 14/100ths of an inch of rainfall. We are going to see rain this week. I don't think we're going to be seeing incredibly heavy rain, though. So that is one thing. It's not like we're going to be picking up inches and inches of rain to come. You can see in the virtual view, it's pretty light rain that will be falling here in Southern California. Wednesday, you still have the sunshine out there. It is going to be Thursday and Thursday night that we really start to see the showers take over. So morning showers on Thursday. Expect more cloud cover. Also notice those showers are going to keep those temperatures in check. So 82 as good as it gets on Thursday, 69 into Thursday night with some showers. Thursday into Friday, there is that risk of flash flooding. It's the lowest end risk, but it is still a risk of flash flooding. We look at areas into Southern California, extreme Southern Nevada, but this does include around the Las Vegas area, and then west and southwest parts of Arizona. Again, lower end risk. I think it would be an isolated risk of flash flooding as opposed to a more widespread problem. Drought monitor at last check. We had extreme drought across sections of Southern California for Los Angeles, San Diego, Vegas, severe drought. This is not going to bust your drought. However, it is going to help things. We've got some rain showers coming. Los Angeles so far this year, just over an 8-inch total of rainfall. That's over 2 1/4 inches below average, nearly 2 1/3 inches below average. Vegas, you're also running below average. Phoenix, nearly 3 inches below average, and nearly 4 inches below average for the Salt Lake City area. Denver, the only spot running a surplus. When we look at the rain, it's coming on Thursday. So later in the week, I think